Hey kids, this is Mrs. Sprague coming to you from room 72 at Meridian Junior High. Welcome to the Science Lab. I've heard you're learning about solids, liquids, and gases, so my 7th grade students and I want to help you out. So what do you have there?
It's a brick.
And is it a solid, liquid, or a gas?
It's a solid.
How do you know it's a solid?
It has a definite shape and volume.
All right. I see you have a beaker of water with you.
Yup, this beaker contains water. It's a liquid.
And how do you know that water is a liquid?
Well, it takes the shape of its container, this beaker. If I pour it into some other container, it takes that shape.
Awesome, thank you. Hi there. Is it someone's birthday?
No, I'm bringing you this balloon to help the kids understand what gas is.
So where's the gas?
Well, it's all around us, but I put some air in this balloon when I blew it up. The gas takes the shape of the container, just like liquids.
Thanks. Well, there you have it. All 3 states of matter right here in room 72. Solids, liquids, and gases. Now, before we leave, we're going to do a really cool experiment to show you that we can create a gas with a chemical reaction between a solid and a liquid.
Here's your solid, Mrs. Sprague. Some nice baking soda.
Thank you.
I brought you some vinegar in a flask. It's a liquid.
Here's a balloon, but there isn't any air in it.
No problem. We can fill that balloon back up with gas with this really cool experiment.
Mrs. Sprague, I thought you said that you were going to put gas in the balloon. You just put a solid in there.
Just wait and see. Okay, kids, watch carefully. The baking soda in this balloon is about to mix with the vinegar in the flask to make a gas. So, how do you know a gas is being created right now?
Well, the gas bubbles went into the flask and into the balloon and filled it up, taking the shape of its container. But Miss Sprague, where did the gas come from?
Well, that's another lesson for another time. But there was a chemical reaction between the 2 substances and the new product, the gas, was formed. This is the same reaction that you see in your volcano experiment. Pretty cool. And here is the volcano experiment.
Whoa! That's cool.
That is cool.
So I see that liquid's bubbling. Is that a chemical reaction too?
That's a great question. There's actually no chemical reaction going on. What you see is liquid water changing to a gas or water vapor. It takes heat to change states of matter. The gas is just trying to get out of the liquid as bubbles. So we call this a change of state. Well, kids, it's time for us to say goodbye. We hope you learned something about science today. Have a great weekend, and don't forget to try your volcano experiment at home. Bye.
Bye.